Welcome friends to my YouTube channel VG Creativity. Now today I am going to show broken chain stitch. So I have drawn one line from down you come upward, and in broken chain stitch we have to make a chain. First we will make the chain like this. First chain we have to make, and when you are going again like this, twist the thread. I've made two chains, sorry. See, go like this, means in broken don't go to the same place, you just move outside like this, so it will be broken. So first I have shown a chain stitch which we are going in the, means where we have started, there only we are putting down the needle. But in broken chain stitch we are not putting in the, just see now, see the thread is here, so I will put here from, means not at the same place but outside I am putting and making straight. So this is broken chain stitch. Again you see, outside I am putting the needle, bringing up and twisting the needle. In chain stitch we are putting the needle to the same place, but in broken we are putting a little, means outside that chain. See, like this, take the cloth, twist the thread, so like this. Again see, outside this chain I am putting the needle, putting forward needle, and thread I am rotating. So chain is not closed but it is broken. Here I put again in this, so like this. Again keep outside, straight, and twist, rotate the thread, see, like this. So it is not fully completed but it is broken. Again don't put the same place but little distance, you keep small distance, straight, rotate the thread and just pull it, see. So the chain is not fully completed but it is broken like this. So again see, little outside, same place don't put the needle. If same place we are putting, so it will become chain stitch. So outside that chain, move forward, rotate the thread to the needle, and this is our broken chain stitch. Again go outside, take some, see, like this, outside you put the needle, take some tiny cloth and move like this. So this is our broken chain stitch. Again see, like this, thread is here, I am just not putting, if the same place then it will be chain stitch. So little like this, take some part of the cloth, twist it, and so this is our broken chain stitch. Now I am showing using a two different pieces of thread, means two different colors, alternate how we can make, means same line we can make two chains of different colors. So I am showing that. So here I used two different colors of thread, blue and red, and I am making a chain stitch in the same line but two different chains. So see, from down you come up, take the needle, from chain stitch I am making but of two different colors. So now I am taking blue color, so blue color, rotate and just come out like this. Now same place, just put it like this, and now I am going to take the red thread. Okay, rotate and just pull the needle, see. Okay, again on the same place you put, come like this. Now blue. So take the blue color thread and rotate like this to the needle and just come on. So you will get alternate color. Now red color, so same place you put, and now red. So take the red color, rotate to the needle and just pull it. Okay, so same way, just put inside this, take little piece of cloth. Now blue, so take blue color and rotate to the needle, and like this we can make a straight line with two different chains, two different colors of the chain stitch at a time. So now again red, so just go like this, move forward, and now I want red, so take the red thread, and just pull the thread. Okay, like this. Again same place like this. Now blue, so take the blue thread, rotate around the needle and move forward. So like this at a time we will get. I have taken means if you are taking four strings thread, so it will look very beautiful. Now for showing I have used two strings of the thread. So like this, like this. So like this we can make a chain with single chain stitch line, but with two different colors. Thank you for watching. Thank you.